Did miss the take and bringing it in, but just had a 16.12 Spurdog.
That's a belter.
The Welsh record is only just over 19 pound, so this is not far off it. It's a hell of a Spurdog. I'm gonna get a Welsh record one day. Keep fishing for him till I do. A little bit closer to the record. This one's gone 18.10. I don't know if you can see the length of it there. It's a big spur and it weighs a lot. My arms are killing. I'm gonna get him back in. I just had to show you before we went home.